What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to talk about keywords. I want to give you a basic illustration. I'm in Procreate. I'm just going to draw this boat, put a little flag on it. This is going to be called our shirt. So when it comes to keywords, the easiest way to think about it is a fishing hook. Let's say here's your water. So the water is Amazon. And this is your shirt. People tend to make keywords like tremendously hard, and they're not that hard. So the easiest way to think about it is a hook. So your shirt's out here in the deep waters of Amazon, and you want to get as many hooks as possible in the water so you have a greater chance of catching something, which would be your customer. In this example, we're going to use fishing as our main niche. So if we just put a hook out here, and we just put fishing, then that is the only opportunity we have. So we have to hope that this customer types in the word fishing. But if we want to add more hooks, we could put words like boat, lure, rod, reel, where do people fish? Lake. People also fish in the ocean, deep sea fishing. People also fish here in the river. So now you see that you have great opportunity because customer can search for a number of these words, and you have the potential for your shirt to show up. You don't want to just like list these words as you see them. You want to make them into a sentence like, do you enjoy fishing with a rod and reel, and your favorite lure or bait at the lake or the river, and question mark or something like that. You can put that as a, do you enjoy fishing at the lake in your boat with your favorite fishing. So this is just an example. You could add more. You could do like, when do people fish in the summer? Fall, spring. You could just continually add like more. So now you have greater opportunity for this fish or the customer to find it. And you also have things like what kind of fishing. You have catfish, You have bass. You have tuna. You have brim. And you have a number of other ones. So you could take all of this and somehow like create, make sure you have some of these main items in your title, and you could put these in your bullets and description into a sentence that makes sense. And that will give you a greater opportunity to get a sale. So if you enjoyed this video, please take a second, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Merch on.